everybody, gotta show you this piece now that it is dry. It looks pretty much identical to the end of the video. Maybe I showed this one before. I don't know. I honestly can't remember. But it is dry and it is super cool. It reminds me of mountains and canyons and caves. Alrighty. Alright. So this is a, actually I'm not sure, 8x8 canvas. 8x8. And I'm painting over an old painting. And I'm going to do a hammer smash. And I'm using Arteza paints, except for the white. The white is my Dutch boy. I've got Indian yellow, Prussian blue, Bordeaux red, and vermilion. Let me put gloves on. So I've been talking about getting a new dog, and we met one last night. Yeah, today's Friday. We had one come over last night. Sweet dog. Because I don't want to brag, but my dog's absolutely perfect right now. Like, she's 3 years old. She was a rescue, but she's gotten, like, all of her puppy behaviors are gone. And she's just super chill. And, like, when I walk her, she just walks right by my feet. You know, she doesn't pull. She's just amazing. So I want to find another her. But obviously, you know, you and your dog have to bond in your home. You know, anytime you get a new dog, you guys have to get a feel for each other. So this dog last night was super nice, but I just didn't feel like it's like I'm dating. Because when I saw my current dog and my last dog, I felt like, you're the one. So, I know that sounds weird. But then today, as I'm laying with my dog, I am realizing that I should probably put a halt on looking for a dog for a couple of reasons. One, we're going out of town in 2 weeks. So probably not the best time to introduce a dog to the home. And also, my youngest leaves for college in 4 days, and I am wondering if the dog is to replace him. Because I was trying to think, because I haven't always wanted a second dog. So I don't know if that is like a newer thing, just as he's gotten closer to leaving. So it is possible that I'm trying to replace my son with a dog. Which probably is not all that abnormal. I mean, there are worse reasons to get a dog. I mean, I would love it, but... So, I'm putting it on hold until at least we get back from vacation. We're just going for a wedding. A weekend wedding. But yeah. So he leaves in 4 days, and I am kind of having in between jobs, and so I've been home more, and oh my gosh. You should watch the videos from 2 years ago today, like now, because they were all about my daughter going away to college. And now it's him. But she stayed in town. And she's a girl, so she talks. He's a boy, he doesn't communicate. And he's moving away. I mean, it's only 45 minutes away, but it's away. He would totally die if you knew I was talking about him on here. So if you know me in real life, you should tell him, hey, your mom was talking about you. He would love it. I am getting pink flecks all over. So yeah, so there's a good chance that I am undergoing some empty nest syndrome. I was at the doctor and I found out my hormones are all out of whack as well. So I'm like, damn. I was not going to use the word damn. I was going to use another word, but then YouTube would block me. So I'm just a hot mess right now. So I haven't answered many comments lately, but if you are a recent empty nester, fill me in on your sorrows or your excitement. Like, it is going to be cool. I mean, when I get up in the morning and walk through the living room, I won't be picking up empty food containers. I mean, that's exciting. But I also won't have anybody every night to yell downstairs, "Good night, love you," because he sleeps on his couch in the living room. And my husband keeps saying he's going to miss him more than I will, like it's a competition. Which, if it is, that kind of sucks. Ooh, this Arteza paint really does cool stuff. Check out this little area. Oh, look, you can see all of the orange popping through. Normally, I would say that's just a hot mess, just blah. But I am loving the little details, but it is too centered, so I am adding some flingies, which I'm going to move these. I'm going to add some flingies to make it more of my own. I love the flingies. And if you're confused as the flingies, give some extra room at the tip of your finger and use that glove to fling. And it is quite thick. Well, not as thick as I thought. You know, that kind of gave an interesting look. It allows other colors to come up. But I like how in this flingy, like this caused a whole different kind of star effect in the middle of it, which I like. Let me torch it one more time and then I'll show you up close. There appears to be something. Ah, I thought that was, it's just a little fleck of paint. I thought it was something in the paint. This one is short and sweet. I spent more time boo-hooing about my life. Oh gosh. I'm liking these fall colors. Maybe I'm ready for summer to be over. So this is like an Osborne classic hammer smash. Like those. Those are before I even made videos. So yeah, so it is a classic. Loving the colors. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.